The science of falling out of a tree. So about 3.5 weeks ago, I was climbing a very tall spruce tree in our backyard, just for fun. I don't know, it's sort of scenic up there, but I was climbing it, and I noticed that the sun was not shining on the part that I was on. It was shining about like 10 feet up, so I decided to climb up there, and the branches got smaller, and one snapped that I was standing on. So I went into a tumbling 25-foot fall. The tree was about 50 feet, so I was about halfway up it. And I fell and I damaged my right hand and eventually made it back up to my house where my sister took me to the ER. But yeah, that bump on my stick figure myself is not supposed to be there. So first we have the physics. So I weigh about 70 kilograms, and 1 kilogram is equal to about 2 pounds. It's about 2.02 and more numbers, but about 2 pounds. And my velocity, well, Earth pulls on everything with a constant velocity of 9.8 meters per second. But I was hitting branches, so about 9 meters per second times 70 is 630 newtons for the force. And 1 Newton is equal to about a fourth of a pound, so me falling was equal to about a 157-pound object hitting me at 9 meters per second, which is very painful, obviously. So this is a picture of the different nerves in your arm, and I cannot feel my thumb, index, and forefinger, or middle finger, not forefinger, which the radial nerve goes to. So somehow the radial nerve got damaged in my fall, but eventually my body will repair it. It just takes a lot of time. So now we have chemistry. Uh, the doctors gave me a pill called hydrocodone, which is a semi-synthetic painkiller. And the way it kills the pain is it interferes with the pain receptors on your spinal cord and in your brain to make you not feel all the pain you were feeling. And they gave me 150 milligram pills, which the dosage just depends on your height and weight. The molecular structure of this is C18H21NO3. So next we have the math of how I figured most of this out. So to find the height of the tree, my sister took a picture of me in which I was 1.5 centimeters tall and the tree was 14, and then I just multiplied by 2 to get 3 over 28. And in real life I am 5.5 feet tall, about, and the tree was X. So we cross multiplied, and you get 154 equals 3x. And then you divide by 3, and found that the tree was about 51 feet tall. So, and then I took a ruler from a distance and noticed that I was about halfway up the tree. I could tell from where the branches started to break. So I was about 25 feet up into the tree. So remember, when you are climbing trees, it is very, very important to be safe. As you can see, this stick figure has a harness, so safety is top priority. But if you do somehow manage to fall, just make sure you do not fall on the hand that you usually write with. That happened to me on my right hand. That is a picture of my right hand before the procedure in the hospital. It was very painful. The end. So yeah, now go hug a tree or something. They're important for your survival. They create oxygen.